nakitech.
911, what's your emergency?
Welcome once again to nakitech. Today is how you can configure your hotspot. Go to your settings, then connection, then mobile hotspot and tethering. So from there you can configure your hotspot, set up a new name and create password to avoid other people from connecting to your hotspot without your consent or knowledge. So you create new name for your hotspot. You can choose any name that you want. After typing the name or creating the name, you can also change the password. So you input your new password there, then you click on save. After you have set up your name and the password, you can choose the time limit or the time duration the connected device have. So you touch on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and choose the number of minutes that you want the connected device to have. So you can also configure the type of security protocol you want to use, whether you want the WPA2, PSK or other protocols. So you can select that one from here, then you click on save.